Pocket head like that.
Bitch on his ass. That bitch telling him he pregnant.
You know what? You know what we should do? Let's do a roast session. Let's do a roast off.
Oh yeah, I like that.
I like this a lot. All right, let me start first.
2v2.
2v2?
2v2.
All right, so me and Speed versus Choppa and you.
Damn, you can't put me right in there. Big
Really been trying to see what's up.
God, throw it there.
Moco Milk donated $1.99
Me?
through
Wait,
Super
hold on, we didn't
Chat.
even start yet.
Yo, Adin XNLE
All right,
coming
do you want to
soon.
start it off?
Tails eating ass nigga, nails eating ass nigga, snails eating ass nigga, whales eating ass nigga.
I don't eat.
Young and age looking ass nigga.
Without a trace looking ass nigga, up in space looking ass nigga.
Who smells like Reese? Does somebody have a Reese's in here?
Come on now.
Like a butter? No, like a Reese's butter cup.
Oh, you allergic to peanut butter?
I love peanut butter. Love it. Sorry. All right.
Like booty.
Yeah, it smells like sweat. All right.
My itching, bro.
It's itchy because I'm sweaty.
You want a perk?
Never.
30?
Not
I fucking love perks.
You do?
No, hell no. I can't take no perks. That shit for my stomach.
Your stomach, it fucks it up. Hell yeah.
But y'all
Stephanie Daly Hellwitz donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
yeah, man.
Hey, you're not gonna talk. Hell no. You're not gonna talk to him like that. No, you're not gonna talk to him like that. Hold on a second.
Donated
First of all, if I'm being genuinely
$1.99 through
honest,
Super
top
Chat.
3 best looking people in this room is him, me,
HEYNLE
and him. If I'm being honest.
Baby,
He's not ugly.
nigga, bro.
No, don't. Hey, no,
Pull up
bro.
that top do damage. My head bitch with me nigga no
Panic looking ass.
You know what? You're 4th now. He's 3rd.
Never, bro.
Yeah.
Why you rating dudes, bro?
I'm
just being honest.
What's up with you,
Just
bro?
being honest. Future.
What's up with you? America's Got Talent judge looking at that
Oh
nigga.
God.
I don't look like a judge.
Simon looking at Simon looking at
Should we?
Yeah, let's start saying stuff like that.
Prime, come on.
Right, come on,
I don't do art class.
Hey, that man says you like an art teacher. Damn! You your ass teacher. Synonyms and antonyms.
Wait, tell me. Let's be honest, you're ugly as fuck, bro. I'm sorry. I mean, like,
You know what he looks like? Terry Rozier.
yeah, you ugly.
C donated
I had to go.
Right, he does.
Nah, I ain't double shaking. I'm just saying I've been seeing it too though.
Don't leave me hanging.
Hey, folks.
Thank you. Real ones. Chat. Yo, chat.
Check this out,
I got it. Hey guys, look at that. Wait, me?
That don't look like you.
Yes, it
That does not look like me.
Yes, you do, bro. Yes, you do, bro.
A baby Ron.
Yes, you do, bro. Yes, you do, bro.
Nah, fuck
That
you,
like
bro.
that, like
Man Ryan looking at
People say I look like Channing Tatum.
He just said like Terry Rozier, bro. I just heard that shit like.
You heard it like I said it.
What look like?
Who do you look like? Chat, who does he look like?
He's just a pretty boy, bro.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. You're top 5 cutest in here.
What the fuck, bro?
If I'm being
Don't
honest.
even want to be on this list and it's still fucked up.
My bad.
You happy? Mouse looking ass nigga. You happy me though?
Posted in front of
Giannis or some shit.
You want to be under the group so bad.
over here. Oh, to this way. Gotcha. I didn't mean to get close to you. My bad. All right. I don't look like that.
Chat. Check this one out, chat.
No, I don't. Man.
Hey, rub your hair backwards real quick.
Rub your hair back. Swing your shit back.
Swing your shit back.
Swing your shit back.
Him looking ass.
YND_Jer donated 99 cents through Super Chat.
Too sexy. That shit look just like your ass, fool.
Oh shit.
Wait, who this is, fool? Oh.